It's important to teach children good eating habits from an early age. Let's start with the basics at the dining table. Encourage your child to eat a variety of foods. This helps them get all the nutrients they need. Make mealtime a family time. Engage in conversations, which encourages better eating habits. Set a good example by eating healthy yourself. Children often mimic their parents' behavior. Avoid punishing your child for not eating. Instead, create a pleasant atmosphere around food.